Hello everybody, I'm the Building Pathfinder. In today's video, I'll be quickly explaining how you can get the most out of your stride for when you're wheeling your wheelchair, as well as the different types of wheels you can have in a wheelchair and kind of the differences they make. So first off, I'm going to show you what I see as a lot of people doing as a standard stride. Hands are typically parallel with the body, and then the person moves it forward. This doesn't give you a whole lot of leverage. Instead, you want to make sure to get the most leverage out of your wheel. This involves having your arms a little further back if you can manage it, just to about where your arm bar, if you have one, lines up, or the spine of your seat. That allows you to get the most power out of your stride. So if you're having a hard time maintaining grip or getting enough momentum going forward, or you're just finding short strides to be hard on your shoulder, you can do that instead. Now, for our second topic is going to be the type of wheel that you use. You have like a pneumatic type wheel, which is more filled with air, and then you have a rubber tire. Those are the two main types of tires you're going to see on a chair. The air tires, as they suggest, need to be filled with air. So it's better on rougher terrain, it's better on solid objects or going across rough ground. It's going to save your butt a bit of soreness. Rubber tires, on the other hand, they don't have to worry about being popped because they're solid rubber, and you typically need a little less maintenance on them. The trade-off for that, though, is comfort. It will be a little more rougher on rough terrain. It will kind of hurt you a bit more on rougher terrain. I do recommend having a spare set of rubbers, though, in case your air tires ever go. And with that, if you enjoy this little informational video, make sure to comment, the like, and the subscribe. Leave your questions in the comment section, and I'll see you on the path.